Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Lakeshore long-distance movers near me. Moving miles away from your current location means you need a reliable long-distance moving company. We at 3 Movers have been providing our moving services for more than 2 decades. With our movers, you get the best team to help you on your moving day. Along with packing and delivering your things timely and safely, our movers are experts in handling unexpected challenges along the way. Moving is quite a challenging task, even if you are moving within a few miles. Moving to a new house or office will require you to pack your things in an organized manner, so you can settle in your home as smoothly and as quickly as possible. Even if you complete the task of packing on your own, what about moving and lifting all your heavy furniture or electronics? You need a professional moving company that can simplify your moving process. 3 Movers is the right answer for completing your move timely and efficiently. We can handle the packing and unpacking of all your furniture and equipment. We can also help with supplying the packing materials, furniture disassembly and reassembly, as well as loading and unloading the boxes. If you need any storage solutions, then we can help you with that too. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakeshore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.